Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Uniswap. Alright, let's begin. To start, open your Uniswap application and click on the send icon. We will use a third-party exchange to withdraw money into your bank account. Next, you need to paste the address of any coin you have available in Uniswap. In this example, I will use USD Ethereum. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and click on Review Transfer. Then, initiate and confirm the transaction. Once you receive the funds in your Binance account, head over to the P2P section. Select the same coin that you received from Uniswap. Click on Payments and search for Bank Transfer. Then confirm your selection. Choose any of the available third-party traders. I will select one as an example and click on Bank Transfer. After clicking on Bank Transfer, enter all your details accurately. Ensure that the selling option is selected and that bank transfer is chosen as your payment method. Select a third-party trader and click on Select Payment Method, then choose Bank Transfer. You will need to enter your card number, bank name, and account opening branch name. Once you have filled in all required information, click on Place Order at the bottom of your screen. After completing the sale, you will receive the funds in your bank account indirectly from Uniswap. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from Uniswap. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.